Andarki Namaskaram. Hello to all the India Glitz viewers. Na peru Lavanya and I am playing Miduna in Andala Rakshasi.
So tell me about yourself.
What myself, I'm Lavanya and I'm basically from Dehradun and I've worked in Mumbai from a long time like not very long time also, but and this is my first movie and it's a huge debut for me because it's a newcomer movie, but it's getting so much of popularity and so much of good response from all the biggies of the industry and all the like viewers and I keep getting mails and emails from people saying they liked our posters and trailer. So thanks to all of them. Thanks a lot.
So మీకు ఈ సినిమాలో ఛాన్స్ ఎలా వచ్చింది?
I was in Mumbai and I took a break for a few months because I've been shooting back to back. I was shooting for my commercial and everything. So when I got this break, so I decided not to work on anything. And then my friend called me saying that there's someone who wants to meet me. So I said, okay, fine, I'll go and meet that person. And then when and it was actually Ronnie, my manager. So he is also friends with Hanu, my director. So he told me that his friend is looking for his lead actress and who can look fine without makeup as well. So I said okay. So he took my couple of pictures and after taking pictures he sent it to Hanu and Hanu liked it and whatever, and then he came the next day and he met me and so he told me to come the next day to give a video test, but no acting audition or nothing like that. So I gave the video test and he liked it and so I got selected for it.
సో అంటే మీకు మూవీ ఆఫర్ చేసినప్పుడు మూవీ హీరోయిన్కి ఆఫర్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు కథ చెప్పడం జరిగిందా? లేదు అంటే ఈవెన్ సినిమాలో మీతో పాటు అందరూ కొత్త ఆర్టిస్టులు, కొత్త డైరెక్టర్, కొత్త మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్, ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈజ్ న్యూ ఫర్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో అంటే ఇంతమంది కొత్త వాళ్ళతో మీరు మూవీ చేయడానికి ఎలా ఒప్పుకున్నారు? అంటే అలా ఒప్పుకున్నారా లేదంటే కథ నచ్చి ఒప్పుకున్నారా? ఇలా బ్యానర్ అప్పటివరకు బ్యానర్ కూడా ఎవరికి తెలియదు, ఇట్స్ న్యూ బ్యానర్ టు ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో హౌ యూ సెలెక్ట్?
See, that time I don't know because I just Hanu made me hear the script and I was very 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 impressed with the script and I knew that I have to do a movie like this because I felt this is kind of a role, it's a very meaty role, like a very heavy role for a debutant actress, because for this character you need a very experienced actress, but Hanu, cause of Hanu, I was able to get into the Midhuna's character because he made all of us, Gautam and Surya as well, to he really helped us to get into the character because he used to talk to us for like long hours just to know how we are personally, whether I am like Midhuna or not. If I am not at all like Midhuna, I cannot act like her because there is something beyond acting, there should be some similarities in between, and he wanted innocence in Midhuna's face, so somehow he saw that innocence in me and he selected me. So I didn't know, I had no idea whether it's a big production house. I didn't even care about it to be released initially, and because Varahi, though it wasn't a very big production house, but when I signed for them, but the kind of warm, they were so warm and so nice towards me. They made me feel like family at home. They always treated me like a kid at this set, and they never treated me like a newcomer. So my experience with them was very good. I never cared whether it's a big production house or not, but I was doing my work and I knew that I am going towards something really nice. So I just believed in myself, in my decision, and I selected it.
సో ఈ సినిమాలో మీ క్యారెక్టర్ మిథున క్యారెక్టర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది?
Midhuna character, it's a college going girl. She's a girl next door, a very sweet, charming girl, and she don't know how to dress up properly. Like she is very carefree, and she will just say whatever she wants to say by heart. She will not to manipulate things, and she will not think by her brain. She will not plan things in her brain. She will just say whatever comes to her heart. and చాలా స్వీట్గా ఉంది, and she is very very attached to her family, mother, nana, and mother also very very close, and dadi also is there, and she's also like there's a very close connection of like Miduna loves her family just, and it's very close to me actually personally, to my character, because I am also extremely close to my family, and just like Midna's family, they are very close to her and they support her the same way my family supports me. So character to, she's like earth. Earth has a lot of life into her. Earth has a lot of life or liveliness, and she's bright and beautiful and natural beauty. That's all about earth, and it somehow also, it just somehow also relates to Miduna, because she's also very natural and and charming and natural and full of life, and also like earth has a gravity in it, and it attracts people the same way. Miduna is also like that. She's a very nice personality, and she people gets really attached to her, by seeing her, because she's so pure.
మూవీ ఫస్ట్ లుక్ రిలీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు అందులో ట్రైలర్లో మీ యాక్టింగ్ అంటే లైక్ మీ డైలాగ్ డెలివరీ చూస్తుంటే ద రిజెంబ్లింగ్ లైక్ మాకు గీతాంజలి సినిమాలో గిరిజా క్యారెక్టర్ గుర్తొస్తుంది. నా తొందర పెళ్లి చేసాను నాను. Few of the scenes is similar to.
As I keep saying this, it's a huge compliment to get, one of the best compliment to get even compared with her, with Girija. But this character is get matured with time. You will see a lot of shades to this character. She's very sweet and all, but you see in the movie, you will see the difference also. So I'm glad that people relate me with Girija and they compare me with Gitanjali, but at the same time it's not completely like her. Maybe the looks and innocence and natural, because there's no makeup and hair, so she looks like any other girl, and just like Girija, how Girija, she was very charming and pretty and natural. So this is the common factor between both of them.
Tell about the title distribution. Andala Rakshasi means everyone says the Rakshasi who loves you called Rakshasi.
Yeah. Rakshasi, a beautiful devil, and she's don't get too much, don't get carried away with the title. Though it is like her, one of her character, like any other girl is. Every girl has Andala Rakshasi character in her, because every girl, every female is beautiful in some or the other way. So just like that, even Miduna is like that. She's beautiful. At the same time, she's naughty and she has her own things to do, and she has a naughty mind. But Andala Rakshasi doesn't mean evil. It just means a beautiful devil. So when you listen to it, it doesn't look like somebody's saying anything wrong to her or accusing her for something wrong. It's just a sweet gesture.
Can tell me about the music, Radhan music?
Music, he is fantastic. Like, I don't have to say this, like people have experienced his music and his music sense, and he's too good. My friend, I belong to Hindi, like my language is Hindi, but at my house, people, my family, they have gone crazy after the songs. They don't understand the perfect lyrics, and I'm sure if they understand the lyrics, they love the song even more. But the music, because music is so good, they love it. My 6-year-old nephew, he loves Ye Mantramo. He sings with me, he'll sing Ye Mantramo, and he'll always tell my brother-in-law that please put that Mosika song, and please put Ye Mantramo, because he's in love with that song. So you can understand when a person who doesn't understand the language can love this his song so much. Then of course, everyone is in love with the song. So am I. But of course, my movie song is a different thing. But Radhan has done a fantastic job, and thanks to him, he's great.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite is Ye Mantramo and Ye Mito song. Yes.
Can you sing few of the lines for the movie?
Actually, I can sing Mansu Palike a little. Mansu Palike Maya Prema Mauna Madike Badalu Prema. I can't sing. I don't have a good voice.
So, being the shooting, it's almost 2 years.
Oh,
The
yeah.
shooting part
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not 2 years, almost
is
a
around
year.
1.5 year to
And
2
post
between.
production, yeah, 2 years almost.
Yeah, yeah. It's a 1.5 year the part of the shoot. So you didn't feel that why my first movie is getting too delay for.
Of course, that comes into the mind. Of course, it comes, but at the same time, our shooting movie is very different because we haven't shot in a studio. It's like I think we have shot almost most of the scenes have been shot outdoor and in Munnar, and they're just actually just 3 locations. Most of the shoot has happened in Hyderabad and Munnar and Bellary for 2 days, I guess. So all shoots were outdoor. So the climate doesn't always supports you and is not always with you, so we had to go according to the weather also. But I used to get this thing in my mind, it's getting delayed, but still I had faith in my movies, so I knew that what I'm doing is absolutely right and I should give my 100% to it. So I didn't sign even a single project in between this shoot. Whatever I did was just before this Andar Rakshasi started, and in between throughout this 1 year I did not shoot at all for anything else but just Andar Rakshasi, because I believed in this movie totally.
Okay, talking about me co-stars Naveen and Rahul. So వాళ్ళ గురించి చెప్పండి.
Both have been it's been a great team altogether, both of them and everyone else, and we couldn't talk much on the set as we 3 of us used to be really into our script and everything, because dialogues and you have to be in your character on this set, you can't just talk to each other and then all of a sudden get into your character. So and there was some scene where I'm actually running away, as you'll see in Venante song, I'm running away from him. So there was a scene where we were not supposed to talk. So we actually didn't talk, like Hanu asked us not to talk. So I think that was a very good idea, because then you can it's better when you're acting, that comes automatically to you and you want to avoid that person. So just for that we didn't talk much, me and Naveen, but with Rahul it was a great fun. And even Naveen is he's a very very good guy and a very good actor, and even Rahul has been a great support and really very sweet, and yeah, they all are very good, both of them.
ఎలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I know I cannot get a character like Miduna again. I wish I can, and I hope someone just gives me a good role in future also. Of course, as you said, I have a lot of importance in this movie, my character, as 3 of us have, and me also. So I want in future also, I want movies in which I have some importance. It shouldn't be like, okay, you're just there for the sake of it. I want to act. I'm here to act. So I want roles in which I get chance to act.
యాక్టింగ్ స్కోప్ తక్కువ ఉండి అదే మహేష్ బాబుతో క్యారెక్టర్ వస్తే వదిలేస్తారా?
I will do. I'm a big fan of his. It's a different. Sometimes he's a brand, even if you're there with that person, so or any big star, it makes a huge difference. But I'm sure if it's Mahesh Babu, so it can't be I can't just go and stand there. And after seeing my movie, I hope people will give me roles in which I can act, because otherwise, please give me such roles. Just don't make me stand.
Whenever you get the chance with the big stars like Mahesh Babu or Pawan Kalyan like that, you don't see the story or anything. You don't see the importance of the.
See, stories of course very very important, and I hope and I know when such people are doing the movie and the story has to be good, they can't just sign any random movie like that, because they have a huge name, So if it's when I get a movie with them, so that means it's a guarantee that it is a good movie, So of course I will not have a problem. As I told you, I have to do movies, like sometimes it's the brand which matters, But as I said, if I'm doing a movie with them, I'm sure they will not get me a role where I just have to stand there. Every female gets a chance to act, and I hope I too get a chance to act. And whatever little time I get in the movie, I'll do my best, and I will make a mark for my character. It won't be like, okay, when did she came and went. It should be like that.
So what you recognize the best things in Hanu?
In Hanu?
అంటే లైక్ ఇన్ అంటే డైరెక్షన్లో కానీ డైరెక్షన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ తనకి ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఇది. సో తనలో మీరు కొత్తగా చూసింది ఏంటి? రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద డైరెక్టర్స్ కాకుండా తనలో మీరు కొత్తగా చూసింది ఏంటి?
I have still not worked with big like other directors, experienced director, but I see that experienced director and a big director quality in Hanu. He's so passionate, and there's so many countless qualities in him that I personally I learned so much from him. Though I have little like I have worked with few directors, ad director, but he looks so young, but he has so much of knowledge about movies, and he is so passionate about his movies. When I met him, I felt this guy, he eats films, he thinks about films, and he does everything which is related to films, you know. And because of him, I got so much of confidence in this movie that's why, as you asked me, didn't I feel bad for like it went on for 1 year and all that. But I used to just look at him, and he was just equally passionate. There was not one single day when you could see him down sitting. If he wants to do something, he will not wait for other person to come and do it. He'll go and do it himself. You know, he's like that. And he and Murli Garu sir and Rama, they make a fantastic team, and they are three of them are such masterminds. And Hanu actually he gave me small little details of acting. You know, though I never had knowledge about acting before, but he made me learn so much that as I said, there are like countless qualities in him. And he is there to support you. And if there's a day when there were some days when I felt like low in my energy, so he'll come and he'll take me and he'll tell me ki Lavanya, see ki this is your character, and he'll tell me everything, and he'll just boost me. So he's a great leader also.
Any struggles while the shooting?
No, actually it was a great show. I never had a problem with my dialogues also. I was very comfortable because he gave my dialogues to me long before. And there were like a lot of dialogues, lot of files, but I learned all of them because and I used to write the meaning of my words so that I can emote according to that, you know. I can't just do a cry scene and without knowing what is written there. You don't feel that. So I never had a problem with dialogue also, and I never took a retake for my dialogues, thankfully. Just that, yeah, once we were shooting somewhere, and that was like very inside because we wanted that 90s ka look, so we never used to shoot in some modern places. So we were shooting some very slum kind of a location. So what happened, I went somewhere I went to a hotel for some work, like to use the restroom, you know, because there was no vanity that time because it was very inside. And while coming back, I fell from the stairs. And I fell so hard, like literally from here to here. And I thought I have broken my something, like my back is gone. But then I'm a strong girl. I look fragile, but I'm quite strong. I got up and I went to the shoot. And I didn't tell anyone that this happened to me because I didn't want anyone to panic because of me, you know. And they would have might, stop the shoot also because they really, because I was the only girl that time on the whole set, and they always took care of me. So I didn't tell this to anyone, and I was getting such cramps on my back, and it was black and blue, and I had to sit like this. It was quite painful. But then end of the shoot, I told one AD, I told I got this very bad pain, and don't tell this to Hanu, otherwise he'll panic and all. So I think he went and tell Hanu. But end of the shoot, then Hanu came and told me, why didn't you tell me you fell from the stairs and it was bad, and I hope you didn't get hurt. So I was like, no, I'm fine. When I came home, it was swollen. But I didn't stop myself from shooting because I was still strong enough to go on, you know. And once there was I'm phobic to leech and earthworms. So we were shooting in Munnar, and that place is like full of leeches, and there was one place which was full of leeches and earthworms and crabs. I'm not scared of crab, lizard or anything, but leech, they come on you like that. So I had to run from a very long distance, and that was very uneven, and there were leeches all over, and I got so scared. I had put so much salt on my feet so that nothing comes on me, and Hanu made me run a really long way just so that I get that feeling that, that I'm really tired and all that. So he made me run just like that for like 2-3 times, and I was crying like literally, like, why you got me here and all that. And then while standing, I saw one leech coming on my feet, and I started crying like crazy. I've never seen myself, and when did I start crying? I didn't even realize. So yeah, that was. But I still shot there for like 2 days, 2-3 days. Like we ended the shoot and everything. But all when that place is visually very, very beautiful. No doubts. Just that you don't, as you can't see the leeches, so visually it is very beautiful.
ఈ సినిమాకి ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చినందుకు లేదా మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసినందుకు ఎవరికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తారు? డైరెక్టర్ హనుకా, కెమెరామ్యాన్కా, ఐదర్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్కా, ఐదర్ ఇంకెవరికి చెప్తారు?
Everyone.
ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు
Wrong.
థ్యాంక్.
That is too smart of you.
యూ హ్యావ్ టు థ్యాంక్ ఓన్లీ వన్ పర్సన్. సి ఇక్కడ మొత్తం చాలామంది ఉంటారు. యూ హ్యావ్ 10 members. యూ డెఫినెట్లీ సెలెక్ట్ వన్ పర్సన్. సో హౌ
See,
కెన్
I will thank Hanu because he actually selected me. He selected me, you know, and then thanks to Mr. Sai Korapati for actually approving for me. And thanks Murli sir for making me look so visually nice on the camera that people are accepting me. And thank you Rama for making our movie look so beautiful that people are getting so attracted to our movie. And thank you everyone for a lovely joint venture and for a lovely support and for a lovely team.
ఇది మాస్ సినిమా కాదు, క్లాస్ సినిమా. అంటే ఏ సెంటర్, బి, సి సెంటర్స్, ఐదర్ ఇట్స్ అన్ సిటీ మూవీ, నాట్ ఫర్ విలేజెస్. సో ఇట్లా కంపేర్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ సినిమా ఎవరికి ఎక్కువ రీచ్ అవుతుందని మీరు అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్కా, ఫ్యామిలీకా?
Actually, it's a complete family movie and belongs to all the classes, and everyone will enjoy the movie because we have Mass Surya, we have Class, we have Gautam, and we have Midna. Belongs to everyone. You know, she's a middle class girl, and so everyone will relate to her, and every girl will relate to her because she's just like girl next door, and she's a college going girl. And college people, college guys and girls will love the movie because it has a lot of youth in it, and a lot of romance, and these are the things which young people like. And because we have shot this movie in like old areas, and we have also shot in slums areas and everywhere, so I think it belongs to all the classes, and I can't say ki okay it belongs to A, B, C, D or whatever. It belongs to everyone, and everyone will enjoy this movie.